3, 2, 1, mark. VC announced terminal count has started.
Terminal count auto sequence has started.
GCVC, stand by and fire it.
Standing by. Standing by.
RC, start the tracking camera video recorders. Started. OSM, set launch enable to flight.
Flight.
Stage 1 engine showing in.
VC, verify Falcon 9 is in startup.
Vehicle is in startup. Stage 2 tanks pressing for flight.
T-minus 30. T-minus 20. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. GCOSN, proceed to section 10.66.
Copy.
Stage 1P was active.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Vehicle altitude 3.8 kilometers, velocity 197 meters per second, downrange distance 1 kilometer. Vehicle supersonic. Vehicle has reached maximum aerodynamic pressure.
Stage 1 propulsion is still nominal.
Power and telemetry remain nominal.
Vehicle altitude 33 kilometers, velocity 1200 meters per second, downrange distance 36 kilometers. Vehicle remains on a nominal trajectory. Vehicle altitude 50 kilometers, velocity 1900 meters per second, downrange distance 70 kilometers.
We have Eco 1.
Stage separation confirmed.
And we have MVAC start.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Stage 2 propulsion is still nominal.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Bermuda, acquisition of signal.
Vehicle altitude 138 kilometers, velocity 3,100 meters per second, downrange distance 370 kilometers. Vehicle remains on a nominal trajectory. Vehicle altitude is 165 kilometers, velocity is 3,800 meters per second, downrange distance 590 kilometers.
Stage 2 propulsion is still nominal.
Power and telemetry remain nominal.
Vehicle altitude 177 kilometers, velocity 4,500 meters per second, downrange distance 806 kilometers.
Stage 2 propulsion is still nominal.
Vehicle altitude 180 kilometers, velocity is 5.5 kilometers per second, downrange distance 1,100 kilometers.
Cape loss of signal.
FTS has been saved.
Vehicle remains on a nominal trajectory.
And we have Seco 1.
Vehicle altitude 178 kilometers. Velocity is 7,500 meters per second. Downrange distance 1,600 kilometers.
Well, as you saw and heard, Falcon 9 has carried the ABS and EUTELSAT satellites into the low Earth parking orbit. There is a second burn of the upper stage required at just under 26 minutes into flight that will place both payloads into the supersynchronous transfer orbit. SpaceX is ending the webcast now, but remember to follow us online at our Twitter social media page and at SpaceX.com as we continue through the remainder of tonight's mission. SpaceX would like to say thanks to our Federal Aviation Administration Licensing Authority. Thank you to the Air Force for Eastern Range and ground station support. And of course to our EUTELSAT and Asia Broadcast satellite customers for their confidence in SpaceX. And finally to all of you for following us on today's launch. With that, we'll see you next time here from SpaceX headquarters in Hawthorne, California.